Newsome. Umiikot sa pick ni Norbert. Overcooks it. Hodge is there for the basket plus the foul.
Yung bumabantay kay Hodge, mortal sin yun. Alam mo naman anong gagawin niya. Pumupunta sa board siya. So you have to locate him, try to facing Belo pa lang yun.
Oo. Bilis naman mag-foul ni Gate. Yun ang mabilis na bawi. Cholo Mendoza with a 3.
He played a good game for them. I was about 10-12 feet pa eh.
Norwood puts it on the deck. The pull-up. Gate.
Nice shot.
Good. Baba sa pito ang inahabol na Rainer Shine.
Nagkakaroon na rejuvenation system ito.
Ang ganda palagi ng release, ng trajectory, ng spin. Oh, pero sa pagkakataon yun, siya naman yung nabura.
Si Aaron talaga mahilig talaga rumibaw yan. You know? Hindi ka pwede mag-flop dyan dahil mas mali.
Nawindang ako dun Quinto to the fadeaway.
Medyo on the ball tonight si Quinto.
Oo, 5 points na, Doc.
Yung medyo maganda iba kilos eh. Di ba? Yung isang game parang hirap na hirap siyang hindi niya malaman kung anong gagawin niya sa loob. Of course, a nice steal there.
Nokum, bibit-bitan si Black. Gandang litrato nun,
Yeah. He hanged in the air because Black was gonna go for the block, you know. So that's not a pun.
Yeah. After that 6-0 run by the Bolts.
Oh, nice play.
What a getaway. Catching the defense, snapping there is the Aaron Black. Belga trying to get everybody into their set. Mamu fouled by Newsome. About it, drives closer, goes to the spin, and the up and under her.
Ooh, what a shot.
Doc. Kala mo layo no angulo, no? Pero piniktusan yun.
He has 12 points in the ball game.
Sumweldo na ang total score.
That's a foul.
Newsome with the strength. How about that?
Mabagal ang reaction ng defense ng interior.
Comes Clarito. Black trying to bother him. Clarito gets it to stick. May kasama pang foul.
Turnover again results in a possible 3-point play.
That's how you respond to
each other, pushing.
So Rainer Shine with possession. And one para dito kay Mamu. Uh-oh. Some commotion here. Banquero. Dalawa. Karam gets around Bo. Alain.
Good assist created by Karam going through the baseline. Unmolested. Yung dinaanan niya.
Patingin ako sa kalendaryo nung sinabi ni Miss Eileen na last month as Belga finally gets Rainer Shine their first taste of the lead.
May end one pa rin. Kasi maliit talaga yung team. Talagang they'll go to Belga like I was saying on the previous play.
On the move, kicks it back out. Torres thought about it, steps to the left. Bang!
Nagkaroon siya ng kumpiyansa when he hit his first 3-point shot. Then he had a lot of good baskets later on.
Fourth. And one.
That was the worst thing that Maliksi could do. You could have just given him the shot.
Oo, dahil lamang naman kayo ng 6 doon. Now, kung kanina, yung pinto na saraduan, pero yung bintana na buksan, the speed advantage, but he decides to give it up. They want to pound it in. But a 3-pointer is delivered here by Quinto.
Sama-sama tayo, maglalaro, tapisyonado.